I was in need of a new cocktail shaker, so when I came across this little set, I knew I had to try it out. So it does come with the 24-ounce shaker. You also have your half-ounce and ounce jigger, and then you also have the spoon. This one here is rose gold. It also comes in silver, gold, black. You definitely have lots of options to choose from. So this one right here, the lid, it has the strainer right up here, so it makes it nice and easy. I've already filled mine with ice, and I have made myself a coffee, and I've already added all of my little extras in here, but I wanted to do a cold coffee. So this is hot. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just adding this in right over my ice. And then of course I've already added in, you know, my sugars, my syrups and all of that. Now we're going to give it a good shake. And this is what always makes my arms so tired. My husband used to be a bartender, and he always tells me, you're not shaking it enough. Because you really have to shake it more than you think. But yeah, so you have that, and then I've got my cute little glass here. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pour that in. Look how beautiful that is. And then we go. We have our beautiful, so delicious. Obviously, it's just a fun little cocktail shaker. I love the way it looks. It even comes with like a little recipe book in here if you're just kind of starting out and you know, you don't know what to do. I love that it gives you some of those ideas right there. But yeah, it is the whole little set. If I need a little spoon here, you can shake that. And then when you're not using it, it's kind of windy out here, but this will stand. There we go. Cute.